How to add location on TikTok after posting. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, click on the video you have already posted. After you click on the video, then click on the three dots at the right side of the video. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen. At the bottom, scroll to the left and you will find Edit Post option. Click on Edit Post in here. Then you will find this kind of screen. Here, you will be able to add location as you will find this kind of screen. You can click on the location icon. After you've clicked on it, you can add your location. In my case, I am not able to edit as the location can be edited within 0 days of posting only. After you've done that, press on save at the bottom and you're good to go. This is how to add location on TikTok after posting. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.